Instead, money where they donate for these children, he go use soldier, collect that money from their hand. Make una listen. To Vera.
She do TikTok shop. Okay. For where? She the see people now go buy something for TikTok shop. No, they have see, don't never use one naira.
Please share the video, my people.
One to fraud to collect money to beg. Why you hate me? This one, the don't come abroad. Give me money, give me money, give me money. I go give her, no go pay me. I go give her, no go pay me. You want to marriage? I give her money. I buy her from Nigeria. I give her money for abroad. Yeah. Me not they see her. Nah, terrible. But that time when they collect money from me, not tell me say I know they take all my children. No. Because if they see they collect, when they don't see collect from you, again, they will call for you. That's what she do. Ask her whether me they go, I me don't collect.
Then now they talk about their elder sister.
No, you marry. Then I think una pretend una not see the picture, una not know the truth. At the market, all the info when the commenter and the viewer, one support them, then I see disgrace. Then they run now. The boy now the senior kids now they tell when they check. When she that position that donate for the children. Like I said, the pikin they don't get papa. Meanwhile, he know what he did. He know the truth. Just to see me frustrated, just to see where to bring me down because he's envy of me. She's jealous of me. But at the end, go on, let her walk because I don't get the mind for it. When I continue to donate to, when I continue to do why donate me out war. The one I fed donate now they say they don't shop. Oh yeah, I'm gonna gather strength to donate to another. Lucky, don't you donate go? When I go use the thing donate, I fed what do you go now? You there wrong? Say that the saga of last one they wrong. Anyway, to bring your two children come and let's see it. View when father they beg. Say I don't show. Don't say they say I go. Say that they don't say support anyone. We don't get it movie. She show her whether good or bad. You see, when you went Vala, they beg whether they true.
Thank you, Luta.
Well, you weapon don't go via Vala. They won't see their eye whether they're good.
Even Vera now they tell updates, make you go bring a 2 children come outside, make them see them. How healthy those children be. I said those children, salon boy magian, I for their tissue, big tissue, you go $4 like this. Aqua one for inside, aqua tissue your well. If not, all your body go soak, all spit, unwe go be lasting. Because when their mama get those children belly, daughter tell their mama say, make she go commode those belly because if she no get be. Una know say once pregnant woman get belly, they will start to do tests, more tests on them. So they finally detected this woman gets ugiagbe. And doctor said, go and remove this belly. These children already contact. The woman said no because o man more logono o man de bie e me vani yen say 60 years o you cannot buy 60 years e me vani of your kian or where e o yen no go fit remove am in go bond anyway by way. O ya bie le money. We are me money nia. Gene go gola na de bi. Salo ba magian o. Gene go gola na de bi. Wanna listen.
And they like saga with proof and evidence. I know they like Benny. You like it. I know they like her. I know they like her. Come on, you are frustrated. Now you not say frustrated. You're frustrated. We're not frustrated. You're not frustrated. You can't really? When you broke. When you don't get work out there for lemon. We're not frustrated. You're not frustrated. You use the scam people finish. Carry the money sharper. You're not frustrated. We're not frustrated. Your other sister not frustrated. You're not frustrated. So no, another person.
Share the video, guys. Don't stop. Abemona me share.
Abemona continue to use the beg money. Wanna continue? Contributor. A husband na Igbo. Man, we know. You see, when they contribute, when I contribute, when I see contribute. I bet when I contribute.
When I list you, she never started. Matter my son.
You can't see me for. You know why? My mind is clean. If you are far looking at me, they pay you die. Because I don't know you from Adam. I know don't me cause you want to take for nobody. Your mommy misses you by bay. You will be viewer, you'll be commenter from a fire, don't live and
that boy. That boy.
Your favorite. The money no one son don't know what happen to papa or mama. They say they don't collect the money for the house. She not packing up. Who fi kidnap the day, then who fi kidnap you collect.
Una hear say Vera repeat this word again. Say who fi kidnap a day. Vera have said this word long time ago when she and this boy saga they grant. He talk and say who fi kidnap. If I talk and say this boy they say kidnap old woman. I fair explain out to una. When he did Nigeria, he was not be saying I ain't only go no. He did among of people where go kidnap old woman. He go prison put oh, not be saying no go prison put. He go prison put. Now when he can't lie saying no kidnap, he no do this one. Say na friends, but he was among. He go prison for 6 months. Now ceremony enya balo you when. Now when this boy come out for prison, white ass ojo the 6 months. He already has there. My people, not be that time where they don't pass law, put say, if they catch you for kidnapping, something bad go happen to you. 6 months or so, get you go and a lawyer now for a do. Now, when he take home mat, then no, now me they tell you so. He don't take this matter so. Now this boy take for road, come Europe. Ni ya yo sisi gbewa. Bunda eniere anamio. To the extent this boy abused children. A boy na he will breaker. If you see they sell orange, all those small children that time when they put tray for their head, go sell orange, go sell okra, go, you know. This boy go call them, he go say one buy orange. He go say one buy orange. This boy go carry those innocent children. You go carry the entire all jekia nyanya. A boy na, who say, forget what they do saga. A boy na boy McLean. He was the last person to come on social media. Because when you know, say your past, a past where we are, a past where we went. What do you say social media be? You think in a place where they say, if you have brought back, go come online video, now they analyze issue. When you don't fit thief. You know they work that way. You know they work that way. Because as you enter, all your past will come present. The whole world will know what you do past for your life. Now they get me. If you be a kaya, tomo ya fuere. As he black for face, now so he had. Now so he job be shento, now so he be. Edioji. Very wicked somebody. I'm telling you guys. I don't do saga with a lot of people on this media, but I know say, I never talk say person wicked. A boy na, hesu, or me, kaze, or me, koi na tosi, or me. Dana him. I kid on no lama. Believe it or leave it. When you near you go no. Suno kayele, no. Person thing, na the day I. Eti yo bokwa. Person thing, person money, anything money. Yo koma gaga. Bene domogu wewe. Those type of people, I know they like them. No matter how you paint them. You like him. This boy, native. Oh, Mila. As one of the so. Wanna listen for that.
Sister children take on them money. Where they move. She know the cash. I don't love Vera. Vera and Baba say, what I do you sister, brother? I know you from mother. The money where they say on donate, they don't collect her for nothing.
For block your for not block her for nothing.
The other one collect you use and connect to go Nigeria. I remember that time when they did. When I donate, if you don't see account for year, see account for your life, see account for year. When I donate, their mama na this. Meanwhile, it's for their own pockets. God for peace. Since last year they have told me, you know, concern because now they find money when they say they belong to truth. I will not go donate for that. So I don't have that. I tell her I be woman of my word. I stand on my word. Any people don't respect me. Now you know. Since he say that you go tire. He go cry blood. Now they are not crying. Lucky, get ready to donate for them. Okay, get ready to donate for them. You hear me? So, kids, like they don't donate. They say they need money now. Don't donate. Think you can tell me. That will be useless more than we know when they say no come. Since you not feed they use, una go give them the money. Una say na me they see how they give them. Una not even feel you now they give them every month. Now donation. Una don't do donation take 8,000 now. I bet una donate for them. Money when they get, they say no rich. Me I not get time to give them. They will continue that donation ever and ever. Yes. People will not hear when you for abroad. The people not do well. There is a way you treat that child. You will learn. So I'm not there useless. I'm not the one that will not know. I know enough from that. If they use you as mother, not because if you use my brain. Me go me there. So my son and get money me not get. No problem. God go make me get and I go get forever ever.
Vera, your own be say, Vera, me I will tell you your own part. It is very bad to abandon those children like that. I not say maybe you abandoned them before, but this thing, when lucky they use those children, they do so. You for just stand up for those children. First of all, arrest Lucky first for using your children on your behalf. You not give her that permission. For tarnishing those children image. For bringing them to social media. You have never bring your children to social media and you not support anybody bringing them to social media. You can sue him. He go pay it back. You don't know if this one. Even your mama just cook about radio, but you ask question. With waiting Lucky do so. Those children for not survive. Those children, that's their life. They not go out again. Lucky they you know if you go tell police. Lucky they fight people every day for social media now. You bring your children go involved for those fighting. Your children are not fit go work, they not fit go school. You don't destroy their life. No more future for those children. You don't know what you want. You yourself will be the mama. You want crazy. All the children are depressed. You know if you go tell government like that. May you look what they go use the ITC. You go work till you buy. You go feed. You go take care of those children. You know fit. You just leave your children. Make Lucky they use them. Go winter. Push them go here. Push them go there. Push them go here. Push them go there. Use them anyhow. So if those children, if maybe not let any of them cry, if those children cry now, you know go cry. You know go pay you. You don't feel swan. May you know in place. As I say, you know be their mama, you know be their papa. You know get safe for those children. Life. Talk less of bringing them to media. Don't turn them to mockery. Use them. Finish. Collect money. See, say soldier go beat them. Innocent children. Oh no, yes, soldier.
collect on don't shop. Now this they say that they talk about that. I not be like she
No
not.
matter wetin you do for
Now people can see updates now they run. The log now they don't want to say that because no one may say that. It deliberate on that one. You know what I say that open.
The updates they run.
Even the kids now they run. You know how to do video. In a matter now you go now donation now donate for pikin. You go see all of them. They enter live the 3 times in a day. Because it's what we favor the night they define. Now what you want favor the night they define? What you want where they want benefits? I just say no, they won't. I just say you better pass. Why you got a better pass like that? When we say pikin, we nobody.
share guys. Mona I miss your love and life.
How you got a good person? When my baby, why you go on social media? So the life when I say the one turn to billionaire. Mona make sure someone turn to billionaire. When for the wait now, the wait time never reach. Why make sure we turn to billionaire? Okay, very easy and clear. Share what I know if you do now. What do a glory be to God? Contribute. People they contribute. When I continue to contribute, now contribute now time. When I contribute now time, when I continue to contribute, because me the turn that on I say Vera the lie. One person Vera na liar. Vera because you be evil.
Yes, and Nigeria too. Yes.
Because you don't like
Take
Vera.
a lawyer. Me your tire for
You
what?
don't even know what is happening. You know that most of you did not know. Based on jealousy, based on I don't like her, how they behave, or how they look. Because I don't I still look beautiful more than you. If they pay you, you didn't bother. Even when I was telling you guys, when I said I lie, they like, who ain't wow. I thought that's what I'm good to kill now. When no get on and say
Guys, love and like. Okay, no love and like for this video. Why?
Most of my come over the cost innocent no get on the family.
Why not love and like this video? What's going on? Mona pull love and like
please.
please.
Say, I will not use my platform to take. You just say no, that person are friend to Vera. That person are friend to Vera. But to them, wait till we talk. Not be the call to pass. When they not when we talk, and not get talk. When I say that person Vera not get them the they're in a good mood. I don't know what to talk. Like say me no know what they do before. Like say me no know them. I mean, about shower when you get go one year. Una mama there they suffer. Most of my papa there they need the money. Una want pepper Vera to their market. Now they are not running. They collect all the money. They use it on their own. Tomorrow, let them come out for donation. You must donate. Tomorrow, when they come outside for donation, if you don't donate, now go punish you. Unless you work here and do it. That's working and do it.
Nobody go donate again.
Donate no time. Since my guy asked, when this they see, his name I don't like Vera. Vera no this. Vera, I can't comment again. I can't comment now. I can't comment because what that one they talk like the one where they do no, the one that one they talk like that, but the one they talk about that one are truth. Since my guy out, when I get here, all the reason they hear, when I get out, I know the truth and the lie. Why now? Why I beg? Why am I commenting? I mean, we useless motherfucker idiot people. We not can comment. Now that they run. Now they run for comment section. Shame on you people. See, I'm being Vera. When you think you will see me fall, you will be the one to fall. As far as I don't plan evil against, I don't even know you from Prado. You will be the one to fall. Today I'm here rejoicing, laughing. And Vera, the truth. Lie always want to come out, but you see truth. Truth will most surely.
Thanks for joining me, my lady, Mama Matter. Thanks for joining. I don't go be so I don't my body don't go finish. See, I don't even do my hair. See my hair don't long, guys. Veggie hair is sweet. Veggie hair again, when my hair soft and long. They sweet. I never want to play. Even if I play 10 last 2 days, I'll lose them. That's also what I dey pour.
They knew very well say now lie. Decision got wrong. They knew very well say now lie. They knew they're not begging. If no one hear the voice note, say I beg, they don't say they offend me. They are lie, they know. Me, I not get time because me.
This part where Vera talks so, I believe her. Say those children, they are easily manipulated by Mugu updates. Una not say those children go swear. Mumu swear, where they say go swear. Because updates yesterday, they give them money, say make they go swear. And our updates give them that money, say make they go swear. Our money where updates give those children, take go swear, go take work. Because updates want to prove a point. Children where you not born. I'm fine, my lady, mama, sit down on top, I'm fine. Children where you not born, you get the mind, the infantry, to send those children to Babalawo Shrine. Say make they can go swear. Wait till you know if you send your own picking. Wait till you know if you send avec an go where you born. Because I felt like I said you don't care about Vera children. That was why you don't care what I put to those children. Even me as me they so I know if you say my sister or my brother children say go Babalawo, small children. No matter any lie, we person lie for their head. There are different ways to prove somebody innocent. Not maybe I don't go carry juju. You send those innocent children to something when you will be all that no say now you be that thief. When you come this those cyberspace, they thief people under those children name. The same way you thief those children money where people donate. Update. Go carry juju can swear if you have ever tested money where they donate for those children, even if na 1,000 naira. Wa di go ni wa gbo mo gbe go ogun ni ti do ga gbo eye gbo ogun ga gbo eye tin track na dan won Say money where they donate for those children. Oh, you 1 naira, 2 naira, unari ejunu, uwe nari oi. Wa must of you. Ebo, aba we say, wa bi yeki ose no dawo. Wa bodawo, almost to 7 we yeki. Ya bata ba 7 that ben we. Ego when you've carried your sister children come outside. Fine, you want help them. But was that help genuine? No. You have hidden intention. You therefore fear this boy. All the pages when they use today, so all those Vasco Neneni update, is an update, Ayo update, Auto update, all those pages where you can turn to Ine. Those page was for Vera children. Those page was Vera children page. Because when he created those page for those children, I hate going to his page. I followed those children. So suddenly, I'm not going to see the children. I can't see him. Because me, as I be investigate, where as I be investigate, that's why they know which I talk for this media. When I see him, I will like, wait make me the only see this Mungu boy page. Which day I follow this boy? Which day I follow? Why the only see page? I had to click into his page and go check some few things there. Now I see say change names. I see where he changed the Rotimi name. Come put your name for those children page. Now there I feel back give us all this jivabon. Now after you don't do all these things, don't collect those children page. Collect their money. Because no one made those children come Facebook, come cry out. Can't tell law, say, see what that they go through from this, their wicked uncle. This their Ifunanya uncle. This their Ifunanya uncle. As I get the tell National, so Yabio. Mona listen for that.
I know. Even people, mothers, we go blame. They come last year say, no worry, just leave them. Then they gonna see me. I don't talk, I don't swear for themselves. Leave them. They call say they use some people say don't fair happen to me. One woman call for UK, he say don't fair happen to me. One call for America, he say if your blood sister go to with
that's how go to last.
One call for Netherlands, one call for Belgium. All of them were calling say just they look. I just sit down for my they look. But today they want the hand call they meet the money when they say they don't give them. When lucky say me they forward the money to your own account. Say they don't forward that they will get problem. The second one when they send me the cost me say no go say. Now he carry soldier go beat that one. When I want see video when no.
Let me take it back. Mona, listen to this.
When I call for Belgium, all of them were calling me say, just they look. I just sit down for my they look. But today, they want the hand call they meet the money when they say they don't give them. When lucky say me they forward the money to your own account. Say they don't forward that they will get problem. The second one when they send me the cost me say no go say. Now he carry soldier go beat that one. When I want see video when lucky they beat that boy with soldier. Say they go.
Lucky neighbor lock. Come and defend this part where Vera talks so. Lucky neighbor look, aka Mugu updates. Come defend this part where Vera talk so say. You forcefully collect money where they donate for those children accounts. Say after people donate for those innocent children finish. You can't give the accounts where they put that money. Wrote in me where everybody know as the stubborn one can say no. They're not going to give you that money. You can't have to send soldiers. Go meet them for house. Beat Rotimi and collected that money. Thanks for joining Mama Rita, the best, my Queen Rita. Thanks for joining my lady. Thanks for joining Mama Yo. Happy birthday in advance. Thanks for joining my lady. Una they get me so. He collected. Mommy is back from. Yes, so I don't miss you. I don't miss you more. And if you come up for the Facebook tire me because what I want watch, which people I want watch. Betty, I watch them and depressed him and they so me if I just find somewhere, I always you one side. I also go enjoy the go. Once you come up for Facebook, I want to watch. You know Facebook work I mean. So that is it, my lady. Thanks. You are welcome back. Thanks for joining the video. So my amazing people. Now so we see them. This thing when I just they tell now so now Vera they talk now. They confirm waiting the children. Tell her. Even Vera said she get the video. Even Vera talking for this video. Say Sarah no they lie. Sarah no they use lie do video. She be affected and say Sarah they do saga. Sarah they swear well for children. But Sarah can never use lie to saga you. And Sarah you away saga. Vera even talk and say everything Sarah talk now truth. How update Mugu update take plan to use those children, those innocent children money. Take follow Sarah buy land. Sarah thought say share that money to 3 places. He give the children one. He collect two. Which is the truth. And Melly said the blogger when post this video try. If not, people for no, yes, because then I go do one for TikTok. He said that boy don't taban. My queen, you don't. That's what he had. You understand? Thank you, my lady, Mama. You understand me so? How can a person, you say you want to help people, now you see park soldier, go beat them, collect money, because you know say nobody go ask you. He do that thing finish, he can't remove those children from their accounts. He lock those children out from their accounts for Facebook, make them not grumble come out. And I believe say he don't threaten them well. But those children no fit take them again. They have to go back to go tell their mama, say everything, how they take come out, when they swear for their mama, it was all arranged by this lucky. No, because of say that I don't want to swear for their parents. No, go and better behind. He go be an old one, no behind. Even this boy gets Ugiagbe as we speak. Make it go bring. I don't tell us make it go bring the test result come for me. With the white blood test result. Make they go bring come for me. But I don't need any other thing. I don't need for eye test, math test. No. Make they go bring Ugiagbe test result come for me. You go carry the I know how they take the post test result now. The same way people take the post DNA for this media. Make this boy with his wife post their Ugiagbe result. This boy get Ugiagbe. You this is girlfriend, so wait they up yes, so when you feel say you they shine your teeth for another man husband. I be another woman husband. Your teeth they shine where they go 7 years now. What's the woman valid or there you were? And you go why sister one 7 color one person. What's the woman go or there you were where they go and I mega or man ye isa ge shavi bielo me vane. E u we do anya koma no we zu abagun. What your date want for you? Who we nye ho we make care twin. Na go we nye tana take care twin. You never hear. No, why not you even if you get wife, bound you. Remember all that you know one go. If not be say the family reject and say no go people money for that woman head wage or you know who and wake up body. All that here get so all that here get so about. Why not e bend no get buaba gun ashawo dan. The way gala shimu ya all the way popo ya plenty mana. They no ya bashawo okona. They no ya bashawo. As I don't bring you out now, they'll bring your info come for me. Who build it now, boy? Now you the sponsor. What you no do ya debut? Ya zo those cyberspace. Waiting affect the eye go affect your nose. If you buy yak balu waiva koko suhungu and then we do. Say make them post time. Here no go let them couple. Now that sickness go by that. Yes, now the boy gets. He can't begin start today. Ona do akeke wuweko. That boy ona do akeke wuweko. He can't come out for a mat. If you look in mat here now and here, you go see this picture when I put for dance. Not to show where, but now if you look away, it did my past video. If you scroll down, you go see those signs. Those are symptoms of Ugiagbe HIV. No mu. Ige a mugo updates. Those are signs of Ugiagbe no mu. Because why? It all they react. Maybe miss the day of tablet, but they put them for tablet. Oh, my people. Because me, you tell me how they talk and where I ain't work where. They put them for tablets. The woman they drink medicine. He too they drink medicine so that they know if he give person. Yes, if you dance pain, you know if you use and say laugh them. Yeah, if you dance pain, you know if you use and laugh them because they will wrong go meet government. Here ya so where e me amedani yamu ujabia. So they get upper for spell because when you have a name with Spain, that's what we get for Italy. You understand? But say you Spain, you are not allowed to mock them with it. Yes. But in any other country, you can laugh them and mock them. It's legit and original. To know, say na truth, they get them. If you use and mock them for Spain, their government not agree. People where they speak testify say yes. Their government not agree, use and mock them. If the woman, that is why he wife. So you all can small the station. If you all look like this, all have the station. But even if you want mock them, you want tell them, use and laugh them, make sure they come for you first. If they come for you first, you have every right to use anything where you enter your mouth, go hold them. The same way you take come to us first. Now come to say, he give you forefathers 3 days. Make they come, they apologize one day. Or go and one no turn you on. Oh, bijou. Then we let me tell you have to. We pay Jesus when. Oh, go boy go. You not go collect the 3 days apology. Get away, Lelawa. I hear me where face. Oh, you just I don't forget your matter. You think say me go. No, if person will tell you say me go forget you. You confess I will forget you. or de bunkun. Dran or babe. Who give somebody. Bona listen to what you do Vera children. When no me now you want to talk to us for Facebook. What you want to tell us? Who be your mate here? Tell me.
They go even kill her.
Make I can't go
They will
back.
care about the second one where they say me they call man they look.
Now listen, what you brother they do?
They went the hand call they need the money when they say they don't give them. When lucky see me they forward the money to your own account. See they don't forward that. They will
this
care about the
capuchin.
second one where they say me they cost me say no go say. Now he carry soldier go beat that one. When I want see video when lucky they beat that boy with soldier. Say they go even kill her. We go though. Video when that one, the tape beat that one, injure that one, soldier beat that one was that. No, that one clear. I take go soldier follow that one, go back, go transfer the money to Lucky. When I told her say Lucky na kidnapper, una say na lie. You know what I do for these pastors? No many times I don't.
Now see how they oppress Vera children. He carry soldier follow them after they don't beat them for us. Molo then drag them. They had to still follow the go station, go do instant transfer. Now said I give that dirty boy leg for Facebook. Yes, now. They had to drag those children. Those soldiers, where go beat those children. Those soldiers, I will say Vera go measure the barrack where they for come outside. We for look for those soldiers. We for still look for those soldiers. For them, not be rich soldier, be all those one are backyard soldier. If you're now lucky, you don't arrange them. Wear the soldier uniform, say, may it go oppress those innocent children. A rich soldier will not do that. A rich soldier go ask what they go on. This one now be say the children they hold you money. Now money where people give them. That was why when Frank they interviewed those children for YouTube, the boy, if you listen to Ayo, he said, brother, I don't want to talk again. Oh, I don't need to allow me. I don't need problem. Oh, I don't want problem. Oh, I don't need to allow. I bet may they leave us. So may they leave me and my brother. So I don't they work. Now in a work I go since now around 4 I take the con house. May they leave us. So we don't want to allow again. Oh, not know that now updates follow back. Go use soldier, beat those children. That was why that boy was repeating that word. I don't want to allow again. I have that video. I'll go look for that video. I'll complain. I saved already. That was why that boy was repeating. We don't want to allow. We don't want to allow. Even money where Brother Lucky donate for us. We don't see the money. Oh, now me they go work. Oh, I just they come for work. Now night to take the work. Now I can't reason that word where say. So those wala where those children come they repeat. Now Lucky go give them that wala because nobody give the wala. Even Vera where they come and say call shot not give them wala. Social media people not give them wala. Not knowing say now Lucky. Now go you soldier beat those children. Even their page, he collect them. Yes, he collect those children pages. Because he knows even if I or not talk, Rotimi must talk. Wait till they go on. Frank can't ask and say, this is from the Frank don't know about these things. So I see some people they talk say na with Frank gather they do. Frank don't know about these things. Because Frank also ask and say, why you collect this children page? He said the children they post nonsense. Wait till concern you with what they post. Anybody don't use what they post, saga they know. Because they know say they be children. Nobody don't use what they post, they saga because they be children. He come back give that excuse that they post any artist, let me keep collect that page where that's not lie. Even Sarah talk and say, he even complain, or more go update, even complain to Sarah, say, he don't like the way Frank they call those children. Say the thing they vex. Because more things where so if maybe for those to use the children, raise another money. But because Frank also they involved with the children. Like collect or if they collect it, according to Sarah, he said money where they collect, they share into Tiri. So nobody know as they do the remaining 2 parts. Nobody know how they share the remaining 2 parts. Matter still they grant my people. That 2 parts where it remains so updates, Lucky, no lelawa. Maybe I make you right task. You go come and come tell the world how you do that money. If not, Ogwason Guava or Amireya Boe Dinego. If you ever shop that any of una won't gather share that children money, except say you go use and follow person buy land. Say you share, you take your percentage, the other person take a percentage. One other ready on it. Who do not be candy or can go? Who have a get any amount on a chop? Now go the return. If not a bodan, a hamubuwa. And yabatie or basenua. Children, where you claim, now you don't come and say, you they fight for them. Could it attack? What could it attack? Not be truth. Could it don't lie for their head? You want fight for them. Children, where you go, you soldier beats. Children, where you go, you soldier beats. Go, you soldier drag. Go, you soldier bolo follow ground. Children, where you drag, follow ordinary ground. Children, when you do soldier mash. Now you come outside because say, hey, mo, okay, well, yeah, no, she picking everybody, oh, make anybody where go they support this kind of thing. Whereas you thief these children money, you squeeze their hand, go back and collected these children money. Wait till you do vera children. It must happen to your children. Emma must will be way. Ariana, Ariave, Emma must will be way. Eba by West. Say what you do for those children. Now good thing. And now your money you take do. Say not be your own personal money. Not be say you go work, you can't begin the sponsor. Now people money. Una wale you toti woni wa rego ni na we go you get it. Wa must to finya wo be Facebook, wa must to be na gbo ama. How you they prepare for your awaiting case? Because you get case. If I tell you that they say you get case. You know now. You yourself, you know. Constantly say you not get case. Then we media. If not be say you be shameless and useless. You when you went to social media yesterday, you win a case in Muwene. Who lay you let never police station. Or see any via donata we no woman the anuria say. We where you come meet, we did the media. You know they see people don't go vacation. They enjoy, they destroy everything. Free. Me, you feel see me wear slippers. I will do not concern you, massa. But you can you do it? No. You feel move where? No. You feel eat where? No. Because why you come where you for come meet people? You say people where you come, people where don't dig game, where don't study game, don't go school, graduate. You say they don't know what they do. Say now you, Mr. Know It All. 1 year. See your life now. Your hands now post that day. Now you tell me say you say you me. If one hand touch me like this, I know say not true you. See, you go no. You know say. Since when me don't defy who won't beat me or who go do me this or who go do, I don't see. You know how much they pay put. You know how much. You know law will go owe you. You know how many damages you won't pay. Because you are foolish, you need traits like you. Come outside. Even me, I know if you see person, me I go touch that person face like this. I say a problem, and now they want. But I feel you leave you, you beat me well. I feel like that for now. You beat me well, video me, no problem. I go make sure say excuse 40 years come out for your age. I go excuse 40 years come out for your age. You go donate 40 years for inside your age, give me. Okay, you start life. I go collect that 40 years from your age. This media is all about. On your platform, make noise, make mouths. Your mate, they go party. Go see yesterday. I bet the first day. Queen Rita, Lady Precious Men, invest on the day party. Can you try it? Since when you tell your media, when you tell them they don't go party once. I am you go party. We don't see you for inside party once. That's to know the real presenter. Monica, where they inside, where see the day media, and so you see this. Monica go party. And Mama Ghana ya tota my vate. Party where she go thief Lady Precious Meg meet. Party ona I do me where Precious Meg. No, Mama B. Sorry, my Lady Precious Meg. Me we Mama B. Party ona I do me wo via table. Am I vate? Am I zeneviko? Quilita chop for dear. Is this he give people? Honor ye me view adiowa. Now so they know they invite for party. That one alone already beat the difference. Who question your way there where they talk say, who question they talk say the dress where Quilita wear, the dress na chibachiko, the dress na this, the dress na that. Who question which time you do? Come show us where for they do shopping for your clothes. No be she. Even some all those Versace, Nine, all those light gown where you they wear, all those Chanel, all those Fafavero gown for AliExpress where you they wear. You want me to start to the post clothes because now you they start some. Messi Bello. Now you they start some. Nobody got time with waiting you wear. If it's you now you wear, you like now you wear. But you will not be like that. You go video, look all of now. Who free? Nobody. For now to start to at least learn how to enjoy yourself when you are still young. Now they did social media. Before you know, now December now, blessing at 4, I'll be 5 months time. Now be December. 1 year, don't still join our age. So because you are presenter now, you know if you enjoy yourself. Because of what people go talk. Because they go snap me. Because they go video me. Since winter this summer, I started to carry my hair. I not do my hair. Even though you see me outside, sometimes I don't even wear wig. Sometimes I don't even wear wig. If you last time again, now you know because I dey feel it. I dey sweat. My blood they walk. Where? That's why you see me. I always sweat. All this my head is sweaty. All that down. You see? So I know if you do it, because if I do it, I go to eat, I go to pour water put. Does that mean I not see money to do it? No. But local people, dirty people, they will get that impression. Say, mind me where I will tell. I'm mighty with tag like now the Chris. I mean, if they follow, now they do all those mentality eye service. I'll come because of say, okay, maybe people see me say, oh, I'm looking good. I can go force hair now. I can go force hair put for my head. Do I know say, you know, last 2 days I the also what happened? You go party. You not get friends. They not invite you for marriage or birthday, or even birthday. They not invite you where you don't be like isolated island for there. You be like where they isolated. Why they from park be yet to yen day. Party, I never see you say you dress once. You and your husband when they go for party. You will never come up for an house when they go lodge hotel. May AC for hotel still blow you. Agbawejina. Not look us, follow your mates. People who don't date Euro for years. They follow them. Not look at how many times you don't go hotel. Me at least I still young. Even the money I'll take go hotel for future. Now they gather so. Now they also put so now they find so. You where you don't do my own stage now you don't zone and pass. You supposed to enjoy now. You follow your mates. They go hotel, they go lodge. You hear me? Stop being inside house. Like person where they swear for. Like Osun village. You be like Osun village. Go out. Maybe people see you. Even if the hotel, now even if now another grand bed, they go. Go. Traveling is part of education. Go. Before you carry your long mat, come and the one with the big mouth. Shameless. You know what you do. You see you do now your mat. There are some things you're not even supposed to pay attention to. Now create a life now be your business. Now be your daily job. No wonder you know if you work. Hey, now you can't come and say they say okay to boy. Me I see the sell. And you know say jewelry is not carrying me that tomorrow I see the seller. Many people think I know they do jewelry. Me toss I remove her from social media. 5 cartons I bring that day. I imported 5 cartons of solid. You think that now even 1 carton is you know how much. No, but I don't feel follow anybody do caca. I know they brag. Now nobody fit tell me say, oh, now they give me school. Now they give me this or no. My hard-earned money. I suffer for it. I sweat for it. I zozo for it. So me they also those ones. So that in future when I don't do best your age, I'll feel they go hotel, they go lodge, do shopping, flex my children, go vacation. You follow your mates. Everybody will plan their life. No be now you go say you won't plan life. Agboma mawa why you and agboma beg there. You hear this me? So let's go to the one. Hey, before I forget my people. Una know say they pursue Yore for village where for go share food. A lot of updates just food grant. May I quick give una this Yore. Yore gather some members of a sort and Ekiani kwa Magwalokian group. She can say make them go one village, make them go share food. Iyangi sewa anak bima kuya. Ana same deren yo. Ana jasan dan kuliyan kwa. Yes, a member of a salt and water name. Yes, the video full everywhere. Yes, so Mama God. Una say as God they punish that Yore kia they go. As we speak now, I case them my table. My faith one of Scandinavia, our sister. That one don't they beat Yore now since 2 days. But because she don't have a big platform, nobody is seeing the video. Una know say faith one of Scandinavia have supported Yore very well. She was once a member of Salt and Water Ministry. Yore voice note everything they with faith one of Scandinavia. As we speak, that one don't they beat Yore Woto for the past 2 days. I'm coming to that case. I need to bring that all those videos come to life because una know she has small platform. Atiti just the woman. Atiti agbewa. I see video but Atiti they blast now. Atiti agbewa. Atiti say when he go Yore store. Owi Yore na mwekia yombo. Owi Yore na mwekia yombo. No, nyena mwekia Yorubo. O we mi yani Yore winye. O we no nye like se o when Yore yak beki. O we nye like se we Yore kabok beki. A lot is going on in that direction, my people. Which I also put my little attention, my 10 cents on those issues, especially the one we get to do with that lady. Since Natet Junction, boy scattered here. Really, Natet Junction, boy scattered here. So you be no fear. And Zendani no we bori any. She be one go use test Edo people for the second time. Una know say during the time of coronavirus, she fight do this thing. When she knows say she be on back. So go money, salt and water people don't come follow and donate money. Say make it come go they share food. And if she don't give them, do you know that she dey mock people with those food? She's mocking those people with those food. When born on the liver anything. Mona tell no say this Yore no me well for Edo people. Why they make no yon ban and liver any do? Yore go cook food. She knows say she be on bow. Money where Iyore take the cook so. What be faith page name? I will check. I will pin it later. I will pin it later. I will bring her video. Come. Maybe she will even talk through my platform. Safe. I will call her. I have her contact. I will call her. Una they get me. Iyore no say she be Oyomba. But Iyore go say one go. Many video when I cut her. Many video when I cut about Iyore. After she don't give those people food finish, she'll start to mock them. Iya when you are saying Oyomba, eba Oyomba but Iwariyo. Eba Oyomba but Iwariyo. The one Oyomba we mabuwa. Eba Oyomba but Iwariyo. Iyore. E den one de gbe mo iwa you that la hotel don't wa ya ga Iyore. Bo ko ga gbo. Aye pa ga gbo. Money when you take the cook, when you take the do buy rice, buy this. Where meti ni go ni nu ya ri e do nu ya yin e gwa. O meti si go ni ya ke kugbe, ko we ke fancy we ne ki owo do gba ri ana ri ara ko ni gwa lodo, ke ki bia ne ku ne ki o ko gbe. Nu vian bagbe, nu wa ri e do nu wa ya yin ya. O ma nu je do nu ya yin ya. O han ye gugbe ya fie, e bi no i consign we. Ku we ke e bulu ku e wo ye si geru mu ya. Wona ye pa gwowo nu viare woni wo bora bu money ave ya yo egbere emi no concern yes gene kan we. You know why people know they make you that yes gene where you they measure so we make can you am you the ring road e mota no ka but no see where dey for ring road. That bill we say why you not say your salt and water ni igwani yo ho an wari ba make una go that place where they put a motor no ka work your baso me una go there go they do say why ya akpo le why say badi egu wadi e we sort of water wani money ministry wa vi ojo why ya akpo le nu wa na ifun mi wa be premises ni ama belu wa hu ya mosun abelu wa hu yosun abelu wa hu yosun. Okay my lady mama chess a picture ni we wari any thanks for joining mama Kiro Edo, thanks for joining my lady. A picture ni we wari any wa mu here we wa dad on here John Obabe. During this saga between she and this lady, wait till they call her. Wait till they call this lady. Mama, wait, I'm coming, guys. Guys, I'm coming. Okay, now I could take this call. Hello. I'll call you back. I'll call you back. I could round up this video. They get me. During the saga between she and this lady, where a baby girl, I don't cut many parts of Iyore. I cut a lot of things when I need to work on. Even I need to even take later. We need to work on those videos because why? We need to expose Iyore to the world. Make the whole world know Iyore be. Do you know that Iyore was a human trafficker? Yes, baby girl said it. Or we Iyore be a vie girl sikeli bi alawa. She was doing her own based on she get me doma. E mi do me ni en deport ni je kan ni wulo. You know those time madam where they say they don't want to get in contact with you. But now they bring you. They will put people where go they operate you. That was Iyore was a human trafficker. Iyore also use a baby girl fait talk and say Iyore na ivie Ghana Gambia or wamu. Ivie Gambia or wa jeki anya Iyore or bi Iyore vibe. Thanks for joining international. Thanks for joining. What I don't understand is all of a sudden Queen Rita has for okay. Queen Rita the pity Iyore. You know, say when you see somebody where we are one case una woman ya when you call the pity that person as well. E Queen Rita already beg Iyore newe ya when you gbe ba no jena a depression ya minu. E get where I want expose for now. E get wetin I want remember una for this Iyore matter what it also. So madam baby girl talk and say Iyore or amuni traffic cano which Iyore not deny. Iyore not deny. But did they arrest Iyore because of that traffic? No. They never catch her. Where did they arrest her for? Where she go spend 1 good year for prison? Was somebody wait by? God bless you, Queen. I don't understand why Queen Rita is just letting Iyore continue to. You understand me, my people? Una not say me no they forget. All your mathematics, me. Una they get me. Iyore go 1 year prison because of somebody wait by. But because that person no get family member to follow up the case. None of Iyore's friends testify against Iyore. So it was hard for the government to investigate Iyore for that buying where that person buy. After they detain her, before they even detain you for 1 year, it means say your case strong. But they don't get concrete evidence. Iyore say if they arrest you for France wrongly, say that they pay big money. Iyore, if your arrest was wrongly, why they not pay you big money after they release you? They not pay you money, meaning your investigation is still going on. Your case file never closed. They feel like you go, yes, you see the online investigation. Until they go get the concrete evidence where proof otherwise say you get hand for that case of that person weak by. That case not closed. That is why they not pay you. And you stay 1 good year before they leave you. You are still under investigation. And the reason they leave you for that 1 year because of that Ijiwan, Ebo, where you they take care of. Yes, because Ebo not get anybody. And only you they take care of her. That was why they leave you. Yes. So you are still under investigation for 2 cases. Trafficking and Omanobu. Case in Yeru or Yeru Enye. If baby girl can prove with a solid evidence of this issue, she go send you go jail. Or what kind the worst? Because it my way and those trafficking people where you bring. She need to look for those people contact and call them and record them. Make them talk everything how you treat them. Only that one she need, make she give police. Police go do the rest because the case you don't already get them for granted, but they never hold you. You understand? So that one for that one. And after baby get confirmed and say, Ekie Kokobiri, Ghana, different Zimbabwe, all of them, you try. Or where is your amu? I can see video where the video where you reply, baby girl, the first video where you do. Where it is saga baby girl. Where it is wana mwe ekpoli eke yo ashaworud. Ona amwe ekpoli eke. I was able to get one part where you talk say, Nyema leli viedo. Ivie kon yega leli. Ivie kokobiri yega leli. Ivie Ghana yega leli. Nyema via leli viedo. Saba say nyema leli viedo. I saw that video. Now I call remember I say okay, yore no bon. So a kokobiri people or shifte won't be yore. Or be won't be yore go. Or say yore mana be. And this one are the same yore when it come to social media, come the press. Puhu oh. Wagagi lele kokobiri oh. Wae umare kokobiri puhu. Wae ufrende kokobiri puhu. Kokobiri they do this one puhu. Not knowing she was talking out of experience. She not make us know say she was talking out of experience. Then the kokobiri ya frustrated. No see no mana be tomorrow. E wu bohe ige kokobiri in slice. She no can tell us. But when she do that video, people thought she was mocking Queen Rita. No. Iyore was talking out of her experience because the difference is clear. Queen Rita married foreigner, she born for the man. Evidence are there. Children full grant. Evidence are all there. But Iyore follow foreigners. Yore mami abebo yak bebo. E wumbi ya mufua. E wumbu ba ine wumbu. Iyore ine wumbu. Even baby girl still confirm and say, on the ewu borena do a defwa. They not out to escort her. When I shall go like say, a friend of hers escorted Yore to hospital. Kinona amwe bufwa. Omazio wi habie. Omazio wi eni domo. Ona afie wu bufwa ba make when they kie Ghana people give the Yore say. And that time they say she was dating Ghana man. I will be a Ghana guy friend. No te marry. No bo wana. Una no say Yore build that for Ghana man. A Ghana man avec Yore chetro. Yore na bo wa mu ne Ghana man. Ori ye gbe doave ezikizigi ni ya fe ni. On est de la social media. People fake. How not they feel they construct this kind of fake life. They think me set ya construct a fake life in him. He forget the way for they talk with my people. He go away. I know sabi do mo. I know sabi do. Yes, so my lady, Mama Kiro, I see your message, yes. Now, Mona see what Iyore do, baby girl. Iyore, he go, get what with the collar for Italy. He go chook baby girl pin for police station. Iyore go chook baby girl pin for police station. Where leads to that woman prison where she go. You want to get me? Now Ijore go shook that woman pain. Because now only Ijore dey close to that woman. That was why they also carry her for interrogation. All the case where people they judge, because without no concrete evidence, they no fit do anything. No matter anything, even if they line people full 7 girls or 40 girls saying you breed them with no concrete evidence, no level. They have to bring Ijore as a close friend because they know say Ijore know baby girl where. Wanna be careful of friends. Wa feko. No ma. Ogboma boko. Who no know you, no know the way you take deal. Ijore had to go station freely with no payment. Ona ya chuke baby girl pin we. Onege. Ege na no mama o wa oje. Yon wi nana. Asha wo begbe. Okin otonema. Let's assume say that business was very wrong. Emi danyaga. Yes. But now something where they do that time. Now, and I believe say Oba Iman Oto or Mwebok Beyond, all those things not they exist again. But as for Ijore to be friend to baby girl, is that thing or those things supposed to come out from Ijore mouth to police? No. Other people can say it's not for Ijore to confirm it. Say yes. Everything where those people talk about baby girl, now truth. Arrest Eba. Anyway. That is why that lady came out to say, Ijore so said being the station. And the woman can also fight for Ijore for inside station. Say, when other people for inside that station, they judge case to make sure say they chook Ijore pin. She can say because say he with Ijore na friend. The way she can take the fight for Ijore for inside prison. Now one of the female police they call and say, this person where you they fight for so, Ijore they come out for years. So also say buwe. And that is the truth and nothing but the truth. And we know soon you don't get near you don't want to better. You where you know say you get belly, why you not stay Nigeria? Why you not stay Nigeria when you know say you get belly? What's Nigeria no be able to? Why you not stay Nigeria? Since you even if you don't detect say you get belly, what's Nigeria? Mweko dia webo. Even if you be you are better. That one you don't need to blame anybody for your own mistake. Now your mistake. As you get belly, you slow back. You said things, you finish, you boy your picking. Nobody go follow, nobody go force you. I just see my wa. But you don't say you get belly, you can't hide down. You can't hide down. Because of the webo. At the end, now they call the blame. Your man, I don't know, person where can't help you. And I do have blame money where come only Nigeria, where case one, where come away, before for Nigeria, did you tell that woman that you are pregnant? The only way people can blame her if now she carry you with that belly. She knows say you get belly for her, so now you move where belly be there. But say you not tell her you had that, she won't tell no, she don't know you before. What of if she gonna think say you get big tummy? There are some women where get big tummy. Yes. They'll get belly. But because what is good, what is bad. Nobody supports it. Say no to human trafficking. Yes. Nobody. Emma, I will tell. The year come at another way. Okay, you're the way bunu. The time where she do that thing as a good friend, were you not there? Ijore, was you when your baby girl will get poly but were you not there? As a good friend, why are we here? Or say me, I don't they try. Or poly can move no was only try. They don't get one jay salon and no do or when we always go when what's the woman of that video? But to what the area of bo. Go body one man your hobo no belomawa the Franciva no belemawan wa. Ijore, what the area of boni? Where is Eva? When I want more picture ladia. Who want more picture ladia where a picture na yang boma. Do we my ha my working where the area belomawa. Yama with picture yakbo. You think say now those children where they follow the George case. Yeah, they too were time I working at the NIC. Oh, I beg me a kind of way, begging all the time. I can't make picture yet, but we are Boma. Walk a man waking when we any at Bema. Wake up with Boma, one never, una beg, yes, or money who, or see it, you know, imagine I'm with picture okay. You will not make Boma power. You don't know. Oh, my. Oh, where have my way, a can what you did the difference in your wow. Our little wa. Then you get your sleep, silly boss, silly equal, or about we a little. And no time I go over, or a young with Billy way. she quickly move on and concentrate on other people that haven't done half of what Iyore did. Asuka betray the incas and Mama Kirwa does. I never feel. See, I'll read the comment later. I'll still go through the video and read the comments. Now they get me. It be like as my friend there now. My friend come meet me, so okay, we won't go one club. Okay, this club where they go, so don't they dress enter on a pint that they wear enter. You understand? Now pint that they wear inside the club. If you dress where they no agree make you enter. Shebi if I dey go dress naked because my friend tell me say I get pint lao or a pint ajola. Now so it be. Ijore, you introduce this baby girl to Babalawo. Now you tell Babalawo say. Now you tell your baby girl say e Babalawo na ogbelo ma wa no ma o. Or say the baby girl na we vie picture yepo we. Yan se wani. Yan be di o ma na ne no gbe. Because if you no time I know. Now you see carry the other woman go. Now you know all those afar, all those witches and wizards. Or say ofo we Ghana. When we ne bo se tuye wo. E won't be where we are doing 2 years wa. Can you then we de bedi ma. Me ye bedi bi ye filo kware. We ke do de bedi de me la webo. E ye ke we de video. Or you ladia. E kesi ni. Ta wa raze. A wa we kesi ni. E baby girl, you say na baby girl we go before now you see dinner. Or we information or we make contact ni. O ma 90 tone, o ma 90 twist where adam you ya fian wuye kan. Come on, tell me because when human trafficker. Done babe. Right from time, I know say you be bad. Right from time, I know say you be bad. You be there is all man or the man. Oh man, now you be. Baby get married there. But you will oversay betrayer. I don't first see your type. I don't first see your type. Oh man, me one I will carry chest if I dey come. Ah, why she not be like that. Or give shukume. This one not be say tell you I don't quiet everything. Not be best you can't tell me say excuse yourself. Excuse yourself. This one not even for social media. On my person on social media for real ground of life. Oh man, come on, wait. Thanks for joining Sweet Osaya there and my lady, if you know what. So now so it be. You show them everything. You now they come and they talk. If baby girl we step down, say he want to expose you to the world. Everything she's using on you now the truth. You know she say she they talk, she they swear. You know she say she they talk, she they swear. You know where you go arrange people where if make that baby girl go prison. Nene, all those they are friends where baby girl come they talk say you they can go follow back, convert them to salt and water ministry. Now those ones don't be salt and water ministry. You they can go call them for back. They don't already talk. Oh. She come back on live video, can say my message to baby girl. As you're under live video, you call the women. All those ones you come by the talk. Avec binani akak binakere wukbo. When they get me ya busore no pa. When they not pa ya wanona. E no pa migo memigo. Avec binani ak binakere wukpa shawo. All those ones come they talking for your platform. They come by the bash the baby girl. Maybe people for say baby girl a bad person. It be as it be. What to be friends? What are friends for? If you cannot stand for your friend, any need for friendship. If baby girl can go, you see they say prison, see they fight. Say person they tarnish your name. Or ruwe na binani yore. That's to show a loyal friend. Why you the way they outside, walk out from house, go station, or now you're betrayed on it. Friends do shit. Not be new thing. Friends they do if you friends they gather nakwama. Yes, for the same they'll gather nakwama. Gather no secrets. If you like some there are some tight close friends say nothing one another share together. Does that make you both a bad people? No. Not just be how they talk best of the safe that be. Then here they come back on when they pencil a baby get be bad. Although I'm coming for that table also. So my amazing people, this video don't long also. Let me run it here. Make una go tell updates. Say make it ready. Money we use Vera children make. At the end, you go use soldier. Beat those children. Collect those money. You need to refund all those money and come and confess. May not know if that's where the money go. Because I know Sasa don't come out. May it come out. Make it come out. Yes. We know why we like it. My wife is so boy. If I get one in my topic. Me and Frank not there saga. Now me with her. Now my topic in Bina. So we no day. No do time ma. We no we get Ivie Vera. We no yari. We no yaga here. Unya no baga here. All to come Ivie do. All to come Ivie agbo. We have interest because when you bring those children come out for donation, all of us were involved. All of us are here. Maya calculator we go ni ya. So we no we ya loye. We no viore. And the video where people take donate for them, I already saved those video. Yes, that donation video where people call the call. I put 10,000. I put 100,000. I put 300,000. I put 800,000. I put 500,000. I put 20,000. I put 50,000. I don't download all those videos. When I know say that donation, it long for grant. It do almost a month, a bit 2 months. Now this boy raise money for those children, and he raised a lot of money. He said, "I give kudos to Atiti for standing his ground." I said the way Atiti take carry this matter, even me myself. But now Atiti agbe yore wa. Epishinya wo vigbo, or 1 9 here, my people. I'll be smart you. I like as attitude they beat and may beat and wewe. May beat and wewe. You understand? Or na egbo here with okay TikTok ike ya wa bolesin. So updates, come and tell us how you do this money. Some amazing people make this video not too long. Let me leave you guys here. I will come back again later. So for those of you now where they talk about my phone, I'm gonna remove her from my phone. Okay, Vera says she go enter live today, play her children video when police take beat them. She's try watch her later. Okay, for where? Where na TikTok or where? Please, what you will do, my lady? Tag me to the video. Anywhere she for do or any blogger way carry on. Tag me to the video we carry that any blogger we carry that Vera video. Tag me to it so that I will see him. You understand? So that I go see and I go see try look at page. If not for Facebook. If not for Facebook, I feel cross check her page later. But if not for TikTok, I don't even know how to do for TikTok. And I don't know when she will take one. You understand? Make her watch her. Maybe I make Mugu update run into her house. Maybe I make her run. If that video come outside, update a video in that the buy. Who we are who? Facebook una ke your phone. Who we are who? You see your life. I'll do that a lot. Make I see those videos. Some amazing people. Make I live una. And please, guys, don't forget my birthday is coming up. TikTok. Okay, for TikTok. Now lay that one. I will see. I beg any of una wait dead there. Mona can record it and send it to me for WhatsApp. Okay, my WhatsApp number they go. He said yes. So I like the way at it. Yes. My WhatsApp number they go now, guys. Okay, I don't remove the SIM card where they are. I don't remove. I don't put them for another phone. Okay, my WhatsApp number they go now. You can write me. You can inbox me. If you need anything from me, just say hi so that I'll see your number. Because before I will come to see number, I need to go fix the screen of this phone first. Before I will see people number. But if you write me, I'll just know you once. Okay, it's an title. Okay, I will see. Waiting I will do have to see that video. I will see if she release the complaint. So now, so be guys, don't forget my birthday is 1st of September. Now, not saying I will be umba. 1st day of September. Now they table me. Okay, blog I go. Yes, blog I go cut and yes, I believe so. And we need that video. Very important. Now they get me. So 1st of September is my birthday. Very go back my people. And all thanks to you guys for your support and everything. Okay. At least mama bobo bonwe. When imagine those say we can't upgrade for things for doing everything. But at least mama you bobo mama ruao. So I will say, okay, 1st of September is my birthday. So please support me. I be really say I need laptop. I will not lie to you guys. I get laptop, but you know they do what I want. They show black and white, which I don't want again. I don't need them. I need laptop. The one when I see, they tell me say na 1,002. Okay, 1,002 euro. So if you want to support me for my birthday gift, just support me. Just ask me about my account. Okay, if not here, if not Nigeria, anyone just support me so that I will get myself a new laptop so that I feel they do better broadcast one. No, sir, they do this one. If not all those videos when I talk about, I supposed to they play them for background. I want upgrade my presenting. You understand? I want upgrade that. Nobody they do video again like this. Hey, nobody, everybody now get laptop where they use, they do video. So I want to also upgrade my own presenting. So as I talk, I will do one side. The video when I talk about, will they play for one side? Okay, I really wanted to go for iPad. Is it iPad? iPad. Thank you, Mama Chelsea. Thank you. I really wanted to go for iPad, but I don't say, is it iPad or iPhone? iPhone laptop. I don't know. iPad laptop. But I don't really sabi use her. I don't sabi use iPad, anything iPhone. I don't too sabi them. So I know you don't need that stress. You understand? Thank you, Mama. If you know what, thank you. So I know sabi use them. So I prefer my Samsung. So Samsung, when I don't see so far so good, I like it's strong and it get big space and everything. Now 1, 2, they tell me. Okay, they tell me 1, 2. So I will just try.